How to delete Telegram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can delete Telegram account. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is you will need to open up a web browser since you cannot delete an account from the app itself. So what you'll now have to do is after you're here, search for my.telegram.org, give a slash and type in delete. This is the website, hit enter and it should take you to the website. So let's let it load. If it does not load like it is in mine, all you have to do is open up a VPN, connect to a VPN. So tap on connect, and after your VPN starts working, you can go back and just go to the website again. So after you're here, all you have to do is type in your mobile number right here. After you type in your mobile number, you will get a code in your account. So after you type in your mobile number and hit enter, you'll get a code in your Telegram app, which you will need to come back here and type it in. After that, all you have to do is press on the delete my account option. And after you do that, your account will permanently be deleted. All your chats and group chats, including your contacts, will be deleted. Only the contacts that were on your Telegram and not on your local mobile. And yeah, sometimes you may also not be able to create a new account with the same phone number for a few days. And that's basically it for today's video. That's how you delete Telegram account. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.